Former federal prosecutor and ABC News legal contributor Kan Nawaday. Kan, thanks so much for being here. Good to have you. What I would like to have you talk about is the rulings regarding Donald Trump and his sons being able to perform business in the state of New York. What's your takeaway from the judge's ruling and how this is going to impact them moving forward?
Sure. So I think, one, it's really powerful what the judge did. He's basically enjoined Donald Trump and his son from running a business in New York. He's also prevented them from getting loans in New York. Now, I think it's a big statement. Now, ultimately, however, it's only for a couple years, so they can come back. So proverbially speaking, the judge threw the book at both of them, but not a big, heavy book as he could have done.
Let's talk about that appeal. So the judge wrote in his ruling today, Kan, that the frauds found here, quote, leap off the page and shock the conscience. This is not a close ruling based on what he's writing. He directly rejected a lot of Trump's core defenses. So what kind of argument do you think his legal team might make in this appeal?
I don't see them having really any argument. And the reason for that is the judge here is the finder of fact. And the judge here is the one who determines the credibility of witnesses. The appeals court isn't going to go into those findings of fact. So I think the judge has really set a very tight record where Donald Trump is going to have very few means upon which to appeal.
So Trump and his supporters have kind of argued from the beginning this was a purely political case. And in fact, part of their argument, to the public at least, is that it was impossible for the former president to get a fair trial in New York City because New York City is liberal and thus the judge wouldn't like him. Just looking at the entirety of this case, does it appear to you to be a fair trial with a fair verdict here?
It was an absolutely fair process. Donald Trump, his companies, his family got full process from the court, probably, one would say, more process than other people. It was done in open court. He had every opportunity to raise any factual defense he could. And frankly, he was given that opportunity, and the judge found that he doesn't win.
All right, Kan Nawaday, thank you very much. Always good to speak with you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.